Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 2, Integers, Rational Numbers and Real Numbers, Exercise 2A, Question number 1, Basic Level. Question number 1. From the given numbers, list the numbers that are positive integers, negative integers, positive numbers, and negative numbers. Part 1. Positive integers. Integers are numbers that are not in form of fraction or decimal. All integers greater than 0 are positive integers. Therefore, from the given numbers we have two positive integers that are 10,001 and 4. Part 2. Negative integers. Integers are numbers that are not in form of fraction or decimal. All integers less than 0 are negative integers. Therefore, from the given numbers we have two negative integers that are -12 and -2017. Part 3. Positive numbers. All numbers that are greater than 0 are positive numbers. They can be in form of fraction or decimal. All positive integers are also positive numbers, but all positive numbers are not positive integers. Therefore, from the given numbers we have four positive numbers that are 1 upon 5, 4.33, 10,000, and 1 and 4. Part 4. Negative numbers. All numbers that are less than 0 are negative numbers. They can be in form of fraction or decimal. All negative integers are also negative numbers, but all negative numbers are not negative integers. Therefore, from the given numbers we have five negative numbers that are 0.3, -5 upon 7, -12, -1 whole 1 upon 2 and -2017. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.